So what's up my people, it's your boy again, Dorote Awilo. So I dey street now to show some people love. I do as if say they wound me for hand, so just to know people that have good mind and bad mind. So I'm going to branch each of their shop to see who get good mind, because I know some kind people in this world we still have the mind to do good to people, to help people. So I'm just searching to see how it be. First go to this woman, ask her, explain to her. I greeted her for the first time, she didn't reply. And I tried greeted her again, so she reply. I tell her, say, ma, please, I need small thing from you. Because as I was coming yesterday night, someone robbed me and they collected all my properties. Even now, I'm with nothing. I just need 500 naira. Or if she can give me 200 naira to transport to my house. I was pleading. She said no, she didn't have any money with her. I was even asking her if it's any amount. She said no. So I left there. I was going again. I was moving. So some kind people for this world don't even get pity at all. Just to give common 200 naira, she said she didn't have. So, and I didn't worry. Went to the other woman's shop. Went there. I greeted her. People was there looking at me. Greeted her that please, man, just need 200 naira to take me back to my house. He said no. I even explained to her someone robbed me and they collected my phone, my everything. They collected everything. She said no, she didn't have any money to give. I even told her if it's 100 naira for me to buy pure water to drink. She said no. The woman at the other shop was looking at me laughing. She was laughing, but I didn't mind. I let her go to her, explain to her. She said she's not the owner of the shop. I should meet the owner of the shop. She didn't even answer me. She's laughing. Wow, some kind people for this life here. You see someone you don't know, instead of you to help, you were laughing at the person. So I move on. Went to the other shop. I see there is someone there. I went there. I meet the woman there. I explained to her that I need just 100 naira or 200 naira to take back. That someone robbed me. So they collected all my things, everything about me. Even my palm, they collected everything. So they injured me. So I have to balm the hand. So to just take it home. But she said she didn't have. Okay. I come off for there again. I went to the other shop. I was going. Saw the woman, she was busy doing something. I greeted, she answered me. I explained to her, ma, please, I need just 100 naira or 200 naira. Even it's 500 naira. Someone robbed me, they beat me up. They bandaged my hand so like this. I just need small amount to go. As the woman said, oh, okay. She even told me, oh, sorry. I said, okay, ma, thank you. She got her daughter out. She said her daughter should give me a token amount. I was even thinking it's 100 naira or 200 naira. I was looking at her and she was busy doing something. She was selling market. Her daughter gave me 500 naira. That she even said I should manage it. So I was like, wow. So there is still some people that will help in this world. So no problem. I move on. Those other people I went for before, they was even laughing at me. I was looking because they didn't know it was a prank. I was even laughing. Just like some kind people in this world. There is some kind people in this world. I begged from the other woman. She didn't even reply me this time around. But I didn't mind. Anything. I didn't mind. I was moving again. The other shop, I can't go to the other shop again to beg for the money again. She said I should come off from my shop. I don't get anything to give. I was like, even though it's money to buy pure water, please. Even though she said no, she didn't have anything that. Yeah, that's how people used to do that. They'll beg me that I should go and find work. And I didn't say anything. I move on again. I didn't say anything. So I even stand. I can't the reason I say some kind people for this world. See some kind people for this world no get pity at all. Oh. Kind people pity they no get at all. Some kind people no get pity at all. So I just like moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on, just moving on, moving on, moving on. I was going again. I was like, Ansha, I was going. I saw the woman there. She also was busy doing something. She was doing something there. So I'm going there. I greeted her. At the first time, she didn't answer me. At the first time, greeted her again. She said I should come up for you that year. I was like, my, if it's 100 naira, just I'm going somewhere. So they attacked me and they corrected everything. That I didn't have money for transport. She said I'm disturbing her. I was like, ma, please. She didn't even. Some kind people for this world don't get pity at all. She didn't even answer me again. I was even talking. She didn't answer me. I can't smile. I smile. I come over there. Why she no say na prank? I won't try to help people because I know say some kind people for this world. Even though they have millions in their account, they won't help. Even though it's billions, they won't even try to give 50 naira out. So I saw this brother on the road, asked him for just 100 naira. He was like, no, I didn't have any money. Okay, I said, no problem. I move on again. And I expose myself that my cameraman, director, everybody should come out. Now nothing is wrong with me. Nothing they do me. It was just a prank. Just to see how people be. How people see whether people still get good or bad mind. So my director came and the cameraman, he was losing my hand for me that I was telling them nothing is wrong with me. I'm just to surprise people, just to put smile on some people's face. So I was pointing the lady that I was begging you money. You were even laughing me. I went to the other shop to tell her, ma, I'm just begging you 100 naira, even though any amount you have, even though it's 15 naira to buy pure water. She was saying she didn't know. I said that's not an excuse. So even though it's any amount you can't even give. Nothing is wrong with me. Nothing they do me. Just 100 naira. Only that woman gave me 500 naira. She was even saying that it's small that I should manage it, but you placing her here, I was even begging you. You said no. I was disturbing you. That's no good. My director is there. Everybody was now looking at me like was seeing it that at least show love. Went to the woman that gave me 500 naira. I called her daughter out. This is the sign of good people. So this country we still have good people in this our country now. In this country there's still good people that I asked for 500 naira. Even she didn't even say okay, she didn't have 500 naira, it's 200 naira. No, she gave me 500 naira. She God, some people get good mind for this world. There's still some kind of people that have good mind. So I now surprise her with a sum of amount of 20,000 naira. She should just use that one to start up some things that I said she should send her account number. I'll put more for her. I just use that one to surprise her. I'm not telling others. At least be kind. Be kind to people at least. Not everybody you see. I went to the other woman that she said I was disturbing her. Camera show her very well. Mama, I was begging you, even though it's 15 naira, 100 naira, you can't give. Mama was saying she didn't have money. She didn't know it was a prank. Mama, how will you know it was a prank? Just okay if that truly I'm in that position and I need the money. You can't give. You can't even offer me water to drink. I told you, even though it's any amount I want to buy water, so you can't even give. Mama was just like, that's how people used to do. I said, Mama, it's no good. At times, show love to people. At times, show love to people. Note that this thing. I was now moving, moving, because when I was coming, I saw one woman as the road there. She was telling me that, oh, if she have change, if she have, she will have give me. So now I didn't. Sometimes show love to people. Show love. That's really, really good. In fact, if you didn't have, try to show love. If you didn't have money to give, at least at least some people for this kind of word. My director, thank you very much. Cameraman. So there's one lady, the lady I'm talking about before. So I have to find the lady. I have to find how go to give her money, because as I was coming, she told me she didn't have any money, but she's ready to help if she have. So I have to go back to the lady now. To go back to the lady now to surprise her too, because she has a good heart. She was even, it's like she was washing clothes. She saw me as I was coming. She was like, brother, I'm ready to help, but there's nothing with me now. She even wants to give me some. I said, okay. So this woman here, as I was coming, I begged this woman here. He was like, no, she can't give me money. That's how people used to give you. I was like, mommy, mama, just show love. Even though it's 15 naira, give. Nobody know what God can use that 15 naira to do to person. It can be 15 naira you give, and you'll be giving back 1 million naira to start up a business. Yes, but some people didn't know that. So I was going to the woman side now to locate the woman. And there they go now. They find the woman now, because we had to see the woman before. It was very far. So I was going with my director and my PA. With my director and my PA. The cameraman is following. We are going. We are moving. But I didn't exactly know the place. But my director was like, she's still far from us there. Okay, I said, okay, no problem. We are going there. There is far. There is a little bit far. We are going. And people was watching. People was like, because nobody knows it was a prank I wanted to do. Nobody knows. Everybody was thinking that I even want to pass the woman. Oh, this is the woman here. He was even washing. It's like she's doing something. So I think whether is she. I now asked her, what do you say the other time I'm passing by? She said I was ready to help, but she was now smiling like, brother, so just wanted to prank people. That I didn't know you want to prank people. I was not explaining to her that just want to prank people, but some people failed. But you, I would like to surprise you with small thing. I asked her, what is she doing for a living? She talked. Is she living with her husband or living alone? She said. So I surprised her with just 10,000 naira. She just used that one to. Oh, I said she say hi to camera. She say hi. So thank you, my fans, everybody. Thank you, my director, my PA, and my manager. Everybody is here. People are watching us. I was now telling them that at least show good to people. Do good. It's very necessary. At least show love to people. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, comment, repost. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comments, like, and repost. Thank you all. Thank you.